good morning. It's time to get off the ship. I've had an amazing, wonderful, wonderful, and amazing time. Let's get off the ship. Well, I am off the ship. Cheers to you. I'm on my plane, headed home. It was wonderful. Well, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's time. It's time to get off this ship. I've had an amazing, wonderful, wonderful, and amazing time. I am going to do what they call the walk-off program this morning, which means that I didn't leave my luggage outside my door yesterday for them to take and leave where you pick up your baggage in the terminal area. This plan that I have in terms of just walking off the ship early this morning with my luggage means that I can just get outside, get my taxi to my airport, and just keep it moving. So I prefer this. This is actually my third time doing it this way. It just makes it all so much more convenient for me, just leaving the ship, not having to wait and gather luggage or wait to be called off in groups the way that they do when you disembark in that fashion. So let's get off the ship and head to the airport. This has been incredible. It's been amazing, 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 amazing. Well, I am off the ship and all is well. I am headed to the airport. It really went well just walking off. Because I left so much earlier than I did last time, I was maybe 15th in line to actually get off the ship. So all is well. Well, my traveling friends and my soon-to-be traveling friends, I'm at the airport. All is well. I'm comfortably relaxing in the Sky Lounge. Cheers to you with a double shot of espresso cappuccino. This has been an amazing, 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 amazing journey. One more leg to go to until I'm pulling into my driveway. I'm on my plane, headed home. It was a wonderful, 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 wonderful cruise, and I'm looking forward to the next one. So I hope you'll be following along with me for that journey as well. All right, my friends, I made it. I'm back. And I look forward so much to spending time with you again and again and again and again as we go on these journeys together solo. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.